My name is Kevin Loft and I'm the Director here at Universal American School. I have 30 years of experience within the educational sector, with 15 of these being in the Dubai market. Within Dubai, I've led 4 schools and have taken schools previously from good through to outstanding. I started my career working in elementary school, specialised into inclusion, but I've also spent time teaching English in high school and training teachers at the university level. Dubai is a market that's full of lots of new schools trying to develop their place in the highly competitive market and building their own cultures. And I think one of the elements that really differentiates UAS from those other schools is our 20 years of experience and legacy within this market that has enabled us to develop and build our UAS culture and community. Beyond this, our school has been developed within the 70-year legacy of the Al Futtaim Group and the family values that we hold to as part of a family-owned business. Our end goal is that students leave UAS empowered as learners and ready to take the next step on their learning journey. We want our students to be active in the learning process, to interrogate information and form their own opinions with the confidence to drive their thoughts forward. Our curriculum is built around the New York State standards from K to 12, and in the elementary years this is delivered through the IB Primary Years program with an inquiry model at the heart of learning. This inquiry through New York State standards is maintained as students pass through our middle school and then into high school. In high school it splits into 2 pathways for our students, the IB Diploma program and the US Advanced Placement AP program. Having these 2 options allows our students to choose the program that best suits their academic trajectory, both in subjects but also aligning to the regions and universities that they might be going to around the world. Examples of this in the last couple of years have included the building of a new cafeteria, including an elementary sports hall and a staff professional development space. We've added recording studios for our music department, ceramics rooms with pottery kilns and wheels for our art department, black box studios for our drama department, and we've refitted our track and our swimming pool for our sports department, and just finished refitting our libraries. Moving forward, we're about to add in a strength and conditioning lab for our sports program, alongside a refit to our sports gym and multi-purpose hall, which will give our kids the space to really learn and grow at Universal American School. Community is at the heart of all that we do here at Universal American School, so come and see for yourself. Please visit our social media channels and our website, and we hope to get the opportunity to meet you in the future.